Ahoy, this is Zdenka. If you like using Filmic Pro app, then you must be very happy to find out that two new gimbals joined now Filmic Pro and they are fully compatible. One is Zhiyun Smooth 5 gimbal and DJI OM5. Two quick tutorials will be created for this. Today is the first one. I'm going to be showing you how to use Zhiyun Smooth 5 gimbal with Filmic Pro. We'll go through the buttons and modes and all that. Explain it simple way so you can start already using it. And DJI OM5 Filmic Pro tutorial is coming up next, so don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. To connect this gimbal to Filmic Pro is very easy. Make sure your gimbal is already paired with your phone via ZY app. Open up Filmic Pro, go to settings, select hardware and turn on Zhiyun Smooth 4.5. This will take you to another page where you will select your paired gimbal. And that's it, you are ready to go. I'm going to start with this side where the power button is. Well, power button works just like a power button. Below its function button, when you press it one time, you will switch between the selfie lens and last used rear lens. Just like this, now it is a selfie and now it is a rear lens. If you long press the function button, you will pull out the lens picker. Here, you can turn the control wheel to get to the lens you want to use and then press it, or you don't have to turn it and just directly press the top to use wide lens, bottom to use ultra wide angle lens, left to use front selfie lens, or right to use telephoto lens. In case you're wondering, the lenses cannot be changed while you are recording. Let's look at the trigger button at the back. When you double tap, you will recenter the gimbal, and if you triple tap, the gimbal will spin 180 degrees if you want to record yourself with a rear camera. Let's look at the front interface. At the bottom, you have a typical joystick. The harder you push, the faster the gimbal will move in the pan or tilt direction. Next to it is a typical record button, and above that, you have Gimbal Modes. If you press that, you will switch between pan follow, lock, follow, POV and vortex mode. You can see the mode selected on the little display at the top. Menu button will take you to the Filmic Pro settings menu. To close it, just press again. Let's take a look at the thumb wheel. When you spin it, you can control exposure or the ISO. Here on the left, it goes up or down. You can see how the ISO number is changing. In the center, you have the Filmic Pro Filming Modes button. When you keep pressing the button, you are able to change between reticle mode, auto mode, great for vlogging, and manual mode. This button also controls the LED light on the gimbal. If you long press, this is how you turn on the light. Strength of the light can be changed with the control wheel. Simply turn it to get stronger or dimmer light. And the turn off the light, long press again. I also noticed that when I double press, it actually starts recording. I don't think it should be there. It's probably something they still need to work on. In each mode, reticle and manual mode, when you press the top of the control wheel, you can lock and unlock exposure and focus at the same time. Turn it on and turn it off, on and off. When you press the left side of the control wheel, you will turn on and off exposure. So you can expose something and lock it. Or you can spin the control wheel to select the exposure you want and then lock it by pressing the left button. When you press the right side of the control wheel, you can lock and unlock focus. You can unlock it and leave it automatic, or you can lock it. Or you can turn the focus wheel here on the side to select manual focus and lock it. To get it back to automatic, just press the right button to unlock. And now it will fix the focus to automatic. By the way, the focus wheel is only for focus. You cannot switch it to zoom. If you want to zoom, you have to tap on the screen to manually switch to zoom, and then with the finger zoom, or tap with the finger to perform automatic zoom. The zoom will be purely digital, so the more you zoom in, the more less of quality you will see. Whenever you grab the focus wheel, it will automatically switch back to focus. If you press the bottom control wheel button, you will open or close your gallery. As I mentioned earlier, there are three modes: reticle mode, auto mode, and manual mode. Let's go to manual mode, where you can perform a focus pull. Simply press the right side of the control wheel. You can see how it is moving between those white lines. You can also select where you want the focus to start with the focus wheel and press the button. If you want to adjust the area between focus, like this one, this is too big, find the focus with the focus wheel, then tap with finger on the line. The other line will join. The same thing I'm going to do with the other side. Now the focus area is smaller. Again, when you press the right button, the focus will perform. And the exact thing you can do with exposure. The only thing will change that you will be pressing the left button of the control wheel instead. You can simply adjust the exposure exactly the same way. Turn the control wheel, tap on the line, and now press the left button. Done. If you feel that the focus pull is simply way too slow or way too fast, there is a way of changing it. When you are in manual mode, swipe to the center. Now you will see this white control, which you can drag up and down. When you go down, you will select speed 1. When you go up, you will go all the way up to speed 10. This is 1, this is 10. Very fast. To hide that control, simply swipe with the finger to the right. There you have it. Give it a thumbs up if you found this tutorial helpful. And again, don't forget to subscribe for more filming tutorials. If you have any questions, comments, simply want to say hi or ahoy, leave it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ahoy.